Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to activate the fog lights for the front and the back on your BMW E46 guys. Okay, if you're new to this car, it's okay, maybe you don't know the controls yet, and that's fine, but you know what, I'm here guys, I'm here to teach you. All right, I'm here to teach you how to do that. All right, so over here you want to make sure that your lights are on, right? Okay, so turn your lights on guys. And then over here, there is these two buttons. One is for your front and one is for your back, okay? Now on the dashboard, when I click this button, a light is going to pop up over here. Just like that. That is a green light, that is your front, okay? That is your front. And when I do the second one over here, a red light should pop up. Okay, that is for your rear, all right? So green is front, and red or orange or whatever you want to call it is rear. Okay, I just press it off like that. Okay, so I want to have those front ones on. You can see it at the front, kind of, maybe. Okay, so that's your front, green. All right, thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped. If you need any more things about this car, just leave a comment and let me know, and I'll do my best to help out with that. All right, thank you and goodbye.